Pacific Island Legislature's President Speaker Judy Wampat says the 32nd APIL General Assembly Conference in Hawaii last week was very successful.
And many had felt that this was actually one of the best General Assemblies that we've had in a long time.
Wampat says the success is due to the theme which focused on affordable health care insurance for our Pacific Island communities. She says the dozen island nations that are part of the APIL were able to share ideas and discuss issues affecting each of the respective islands. With that, Wampat introduced a resolution expressing support for a regional health care network.
And what that would do is that it will be several things. One, of course, is that we're hoping for it to be portable. So that means anyone coming here, going between the islands, that they should be covered. It's to also provide coverage on many areas that, we would consider either expensive and in their case are not even covered in their insurance.
The resolution specifically calls for the support in establishing a regional healthcare network to function as a model for progressive multi-sectoral partnership, incorporating advanced medical care with holistic and indigenous systems of care for jurisdictions within the Blue Continent. The Blue Continent refers to the island nations within the APIL, including Guam, American Samoa, Sinai, Chuuk, Kosrae, Pohnpei, Yap, Marshall Islands, Palau, Nauru, Kiribati, and Hawaii. Wampat adds creating a regional healthcare network would no doubt involve a lot of stakeholders from local government to the private sector to non-governmental organizations. In fact, the APIL featured guest panelists from Guam, including the island's health insurance companies, as well as the Guam Regional Medical City.
So when you consider pooling all those resources, then it becomes, affordable.
The resolution adopted by the APIL would be forwarded to all of the chief executives in the region, the Department of the Interior, and the health insurance companies for feedback.
Because we have a small window of opportunity here to do this, because on our board meeting in December, we're supposed to be able to report now what studies have been done.
Wampat, meanwhile, says this is not something that can be implemented overnight and foresees some kind of development in a year or two time frame, adding studies and more data need to be collected. Wampat, who was re-elected to serve as the APIL president, says every year the theme focuses on an issue affecting all of the islands, in which next year we'll be looking at air and sea transportation and building the economy through the Micronesian cruise liners. Reporting for Guam's News Network, I'm Ken Quintanilla.